Having a birthday party at home? Here's a unique decoration. Like this, the water just runs off. Turn the broccoli upside down. Much better. And cutting it? Try this technique. Fast and easy. The shutters need a good clean. Like this, you can't get into hard-to-reach spots. Use a knife. Very effective. Now they're thoroughly cleaned. Here's a tip to knot your shirt perfectly. Stunning! By cutting open the bag of potato chips like this, it will be much easier to share them. Give it a try. Difficult to cut? Try this. Much easier. Here's a quick tip to make cookies for filling. Bon appetit! Like this, too much ketchup comes out. Squeeze the bottle like this. A perfect amount. Unpleasant odors in the fridge? The cause could be humidity. Make a bag of coffee to combat unpleasant odors by cutting up a mask. Reuse the elastics to close the bag. You can also use baking soda to combat humidity. A fantastic DIY solution. Try this ingenious method to clean glass perfectly. Say goodbye to dirt.